This is the capital of a special vehicle in China. The city of a special vehicle has a reputation of thousands of miles. Chusheng Vehicle Group Co Limited is a national key specialized vehicle manufacturing enterprise that integrates independent research and development, design, manufacturing, sales, and import and export trade services for special purpose vehicles. The company is the business division of China's City Industrial Group CCIG Co Limited, and the headquarters base of special vehicle industry. With nearly 1,000 employees, the company is committed to building a world-class commercial vehicle industry research and development, manufacturing and investment headquarters, and becoming an industry leader. The company covers a total area of 700,000 square meters and has built specialized production plant for tank trucks, environmental dump trucks, urban sanitation trucks, road wrecker, and other series of products. It has formed 7 specialized production lines for special vehicles and can produce 30,000 units of special vehicles annually. The company's main products include oil tank truck, urban sanitation truck, road wrecker, environmentally dump truck, fire truck, semi-trailer, LPG in 7 major series of nearly 500 varieties. The company's products are best-selling throughout the country, with some products exported overseas to 50 countries and regions such as Central Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. Oil tanker truck is the company's main product. It sells number ranked first in China for 10 consecutive years. The sales of wrecker truck series products have been in the top 3 in the country for 6 consecutive years. The sales of compressed garbage trucks and high-altitude work trucks series products have been in the top 10 in the country for 7 consecutive years. The enterprise's registered trademark Chusheng is a well-known trademark in China, and the Chusheng product is a famous brand product in Hubei. The company is a high-tech enterprise in Hubei province and has been awarded the title of a contract binding and credit valuing enterprise by the Hubei province government of the State Administration for Industry and Commerce multiple times. It has also been awarded the title of a national industrial brand and cultivation demonstration enterprise by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of the People's Republic of China. For 5 consecutive years, it has been awarded the title of Outstanding Contribution Enterprise by the Suzhou Municipal Body Committee and People's Government, and has successively won honorary titles such as National Mode Employee Home, National Top 100 Taxpayers, and Most Satisfied Enterprise by Consumers. At present, under the trend of domestic economic transformation and upgrading and the change of the automobile industries, the company adheres to the development strategy of core business, multi-polarization of the market, management characterization, and diversified development. The company always driven by innovation, brand leading, relies 4 major breakthroughs in industrial layout, market structure, business scale, and operation control. Relies the product serialization, branding, and advanced, intelligent, from Chusheng manufacturing to Chusheng creation. Chusheng people always adhere to the business purpose of putting users at the center, market-oriented, and rewarding society for the benefit of the country and the people, relying on the existing industry status, industry foundation, manufacturing platform, and the advantages of CCIG in brand. technology, management and market resources, and other aspects, serving the whole country, facing the world. And finally achieved a commercial vehicle scale of 10 billion. And the top 3 goals of the global industry strive to achieve the grand vision of 10 billion in 5 years. In the promotion of a quality suzhou construction, Hubei high-quality development, and realize the greater rejuvenation of the Chinese nation in the journey, continue to write new glory.